Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Yafis from Universitas Negeri Malang. Today, I would like to present an important topic related to environmental sustainability and industrial responsibility. Use oil processing or waste oil management. This topic strongly supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially Goal 6 on clean water, Goal 12 on responsible consumption and production, and Goal 13 on climate action. Used oil is generated from activities such as automotive engines, industrial machines, power plants, and many others. After prolonged use, oil becomes contaminated with dirt, metal particles, water, and chemical substances. At this stage, it loses its effectiveness and is classified as hazardous waste. If not handled properly, used oil can cause serious environmental damage. Ladies and gentlemen, just 1 liter of used oil can contaminate thousands of liters of water. This harms ecosystems and potentially enters the human food chain. This also clearly threatens the achievement of clean water and environmental sustainability. Therefore, proper processing of used oil is not just important, but essential. There are several methods to process used oil. The most sustainable method is recycling and re-refining. This process restores used oil into base oil that can be reused as a lubricant so that it can support responsible resource use. The first step is collection and storage, where used oil is safely stored to prevent leakage. Then comes to pretreatment, which removes water and solid impurities through filtration or settling. Next is the re-refining process. Advanced technologies such as vacuum distillation and hydrotreatment are used to separate valuable components from contaminants. The result is high-quality base oil that meets industrial standards. This process also helps reduce carbon emissions and support climate action. Another method is energy recovery, where used oil is used as an alternative fuel in industries, such as cement plants and power generations. Although it does not restore oil into its original form, it still converts waste into useful energy. There is also simple filtration and reuse, commonly applied in small industries. However, this method is less effective because it cannot fully remove harmful substances. The benefits of proper used oil processing are significant. It reduces environmental pollution, conserves natural resources, and provides economic value. Re-refined oil is more cost-effective than reducing the new oil from crude processes. However, challenges still exist, including lack of awareness, limited infrastructure, and improper handling practices. Therefore, education, regulation, and innovation are crucial to improving waste oil management systems. As engineering students and future professionals, we have a responsibility to promote sustainable practices and contribute to global solutions. In conclusion, used oil processing is not only a technical activity, but also a key step toward environmental protection and sustainable development. By applying proper methods, we can transform hazardous waste into valuable resources and support achievement global goals. Let us work together to create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you for your attention.